tak faham sangat lah lagi.
Okay, you can ask anything lah. So
Okay, saya akan start perkenalkan diri saya dulu. Nama saya Syahnas binti Irfan Ahmad. Ni saya first year student. Interview ni dijalankan daripada kos program pembentukan impak. Okay, jadi tujuan interview ini dilakukan adalah untuk this leech punya screenshot adalah pasal Malaysian Society of Parasitology and Tropical Medicine. Jadi soalan saya yang pertama, boleh ke Prof terangkan tentang latar belakang dan sejarah organisasi?
This is tahun ke-60 since the formation of the society. So kat 1962 tahun 1962 idea to form this society was discussed in a meeting, but then yang formal punya pembentukan society ni baru dijalankan pada tahun 1964. So that time we call it Malaysian Society of Parasitologists, SP. So MSP kat masa tahun 1964 ini dibentuk. Tapi kat 1968 I think.
It's okay. 1968?
Kejap. 1968 ke? Okay, 1968, we changed the name to Malaysian Society of Parasitology and Tropical Medicine.
Okay. Kenapa tu kan jadi ada tropical medicine tak?
Sebab kat satu meeting dekat mana kat Singapura, June 1968. So sebab ada member dari tropical medicine juga, so they want to make it more representative, ada parasitology dan juga ada tropical medicine. So that's why they want to change it to MSPTM so that it can include more members in the field.
Kiranya daripada satu parasitologi tu dia tambah dengan tropical medicine juga.
Ya, 1968 nama tu tukar sebab ada discussion from the member lah. So kenapa just focus on parasitology? So that's why parasitology kan sangat niche. So tropical medicine lagi broad. So tropical medicine could be dengue infection, bacterial infection. Tapi parasitology memang parasite infection saja. So that's why sebab ada interest kat tropical medicines, that's why we include tropical medicine in our society name.
Kiranya dah start daripada 1968 tu dia bergerak sampai ke sekarang lah, tahun yang ke-60.
Ya, tahun ke-60 this year.
Untuk organisasi dia pula macam mana, Prof?
Organisasi, you mean dia punya members ke? Position ke?
Dia macam ada hierarchy dia macam mana?
Macam dia memang ada president, which I'm the current president for 2 terms, 2024 until 2026 lah. Then next ada vice president, followed by honorary secretary, then honorary assistant secretary, 3
honorary Doktor boleh Prof boleh bagi ke nama mereka ke tak ada?
Nama? Boleh. I share the website. Sebenarnya all this information you can get it from our website.
Okay.
I share. This is the list of the council. You boleh buka tengok. Nama tu semua ada kat sini lah.
Okay.
Yang ni 2 tahun sekali lah akan tukar organisasi tu. So memang ada representatif lah, ada pengurusi, naib pengurusi, usaha, pendahari dan juga council member lah. Itu je.
Objektif program ni macam mana, Prof?
Objektif memang to promote anything related to parasitology and tropical medicine in Southeast Asia dan juga Malaysia lah. So to promote activities related to parasitology and tropical medicine in Malaysia and Southeast Asia.
Okay.
And also the knowledge regarding this tropical medicine lah.
Southeast tu dekat mana je, Prof?
Southeast Asia.
Seluruh Southeast ke? Ada
seluruh Southeast Asia. Kalau ada aktif punya penglibatan lah dari member dari negara in Southeast Asia. Tapi so far yang aktif collaborate dengan MSPTM adalah Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, ya 4 country saja yang aktif dengan MSPTM so far.
Kiranya pengambilan dia macam mana?
Tak ada pengambilan. Memang every few years we will sign agreement among the members of the societies of parasitology ke, tropical medicine ke, atau infectious diseases, any society from the Southeast Asia, we actually welcome to collaborate, and we will sign MOA agreement. So then if they are happy, then we can always collaborate to promote or to co-organize any event related to tropical medicine and parasitology. Memang akan share the knowledge from time to time. So also we have the special discount rate lah. Kalau nak join any conference, any meeting kan, we charge. Tapi memang kalau dia members of this MOA so memang dapat discount lah.
Soalan akhir, antara program yang pernah buat sebelum ni?
Buat banyak program. So yang penting memang annually we have 2 important program. One is our annual scientific conference. MSPTM annual scientific conference. Every year we will do this event to promote the science and also the knowledge of tropical medicine and parasitology. So memang consider our big event sebab memang ada 100 to 200 participants join this event annually. Then the second would be our MSPTM mid-year seminar. So this is a 1 or 2 days event annually, also to discuss and also to promote collaboration among researchers in the field. So these are the 2 events. So but also we are doing other smaller events like we want to contribute back to the society. So we do awareness program. So like we do the animal awareness program, like to tunjuk the owner macam you bela kucing ke anjing ke, will teach the how to prevent some infection. So like deworming program.
Deworming program?
Ubat cacing. Ubat cacing. Kat cats ke atau dogs. Dan juga medical check-up for the animals, and also to teach them the existence and also the risk of some of the ectoparasite, kutu ke, ginjal ke, all these ectoparasite we call it. So,
Ectoparasite.
Yeah. Kutu, senggenit, dan juga ginjal. You can translate back like ectoparasite, flea, mite, and ticks.
Okay.
And lice. So all these 4 flea, lice, ticks, and mites. So this one commonly found from the animals. So we will teach the owner at least to differentiate. So this is kutu, and this is mite, this is flea. So at least they are aware of this tiny organism from the animals. Then they will do detect program, macam spray pesticide, ubat ubat insecticide atau acaricide, so that it will reduce the risk of disease transmission, whether from the animals to the human atau human to the animals memang ada correlations. Dan juga we sometimes also organize a big event. Like this year, we organized the international conference on tropical medicine and malaria. So we have over 1,500 participants from all over the world. About 40 countries.
Berapa partisipan?
Sorry?
Berapa partisipan?
1,500.
1,500, okay.
500. So I think over 40 countries, 40 negara join this conference. So it's a scientific conference So memang this is a good platform to share the knowledge on parasitology and tropical medicine. And this year we organize it in Kuching, September this year. So next year we will be having another international event also regarding ectoparasite.
Ectoparasite.
And sometimes we also do a lot of community engagement program. So we go to the orang asli kampung to teach them how to avoid parasite infections. So we provide kasut, sebab memang orang asli dia tak suka pakai kasut kan. So this is one of the source of infection kalau you use barefoot, tak pakai kasut, cacing tu akan infect dari pasir ke tanah ke, soil transmitted parasite So this one we educate them so how to avoid these infections. So what? Yeah, these are the main activities we do it.
Yang komuniti dekat orang asli ni dibuat pada tahun ni ya Prof?
Tahun ni baru saja, last week we do it in Kuching juga.
Buat
Kuching. Dia not consider orang asli kot, tapi memang rural area So to teach them. But before that, we also have several activities in orang asli kampung kat Peninsula Malaysia. So not every year we organize, but depends. Dan juga we have the dengue awareness competition, drawing competition program. So we do it in Perak and also in Selangor and KL. So these are the activities so that we would promote our society through this community engagement. So dari sekolah rendah menengah, so pelajar yang involved memang draw anything related to dengue. You tahu kan dengue? Jadi memang this is our main event.
Yang dengue awareness ni pun tahun ni lah ya, Prof?
Tahun ni tak ada buat. I think 2 years ago lah, we do it in Perak. And before that, Selangor dan KL lah. So suppose this year we want to do it in Sarawak juga, tapi tak sempat lah. So maybe next year.
Okey, untuk yang program yang akan datang tahun depan tu, selain daripada parasite, ectoparasite, ada program lain ke, Prof?
Next year, that one you want the specific name or not? I write it here. This is our international event.
Okay.
For Asia Pacific. Yang ni to be held in Penang lah, September. So, tapi akan combine dengan our annual conference. Our annual conference normally held every year in March. Tapi because of this international conference, we postpone our annual conference to September.
Kiranya annual conference dengan international tu pada bulan September tahun depan.
Yeah. Dan satu lagi mid-year seminar, we will do it around June. Mid-year seminar. Yeah. Dan juga ada lagi lah macam animal awareness program tu. We plan to do it lah, tapi tak ada date lagi. Sometimes we want to do potong royong. Potong royong. Potong. Neuter the dogs and cats.
Oh, okay.
Neuter program, all this.
Yang link tu doktor Prof dah hantar ke?
Message tu nampak tak?
Message. Okay, dapat.
You je lah MSPTM, you akan jumpa lah.
Okay. MSPTM. Saya rasa dah tak ada soalan lagi ke, Prof? Prof pun dah bagi penerangan untuk yang dulu punya dengan sekarang punya program juga.
I think you can get quite a lot of information from the website lah. So you baca and extract some of the information.
Okay. Boleh saya tahu ke dulu Prof belajar course apa?
Saya undergraduate, I study biodiversity. Conservation and management kat UMT. Dan selepas tu I terus buat PhD kat Universiti Malaya lah. Medical entomology.
Kiranya Prof tak buat master lah ya?
Tak ada master.
Prof asal mana boleh tahu ke?
Saya asal Perak.
Perak.
Kampar Perak.
Nama Prof Lucas Low.
Low, Lucas Low Wantun.
Okay.
You kat website tu boleh nampak lah nama saya.
Okay. Okay, Prof. Okay, itu saja.
Itu saja.
Itu saja.
Okay, anything you can just text me lah.
Okay, Prof.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.